Hey guys, welcome back. Have you ever thought about completely disappearing from Facebook? Like no post, no tags, no profile, nothing. Well, guys, what? Deleting your Facebook account is possible, and today I am gonna show you exactly how to do it. But before you rush into it, just now, once it's done, it's almost gone for good. All your photos, messages, memories, proofs. So if you sure, let's go. Now Facebook does not make it super obvious. They hide this option deep inside the settings, but don't worry, I got you. But before deleting Facebook account, I request all of you please do subscribe and hit the bell icon. Here's how to find it. Guys, just open Facebook app, tap three lines menu on the right corner. Scroll down, tap settings and privacy, then again tap on settings. At the top, you should need to tap on account center, go to personal details, then account ownership and control. Here are two options, account deactivation or deletion. Tap on it. After that, you should need to find out that how you want to delete permanently your Facebook account or temporarily. So if you want to delete Facebook account permanently, then you need to select second option. Alright, then tap on continue, follow the prompts and hit delete account. Facebook gives you 30 days to change your mind. After that, your account is gone forever. I hope guys you found this video is very informative for you. So please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Goodbye, best of luck.